This is perhaps the best E-Type Jaguar Series One 4.2 2+2 available on the market. It's certainly the best we've had in our showroom in more than 30 years of trading. It's a UK right-hand drive example, and it's a matching numbers car that's covered just over 200 miles since the completion of a first-class full restoration costing a staggering £130,000. This show quality example was manufactured on the 19th of August 1966. It was first registered with the East Sussex registration mark KNJ1E that is still with the car today. It records just 4 owners from new, and there are 2 large, comprehensive folders of history with the car. From 1986 to 2008, it was with 1 owner in Starbridge. The paperwork confirms that it was initially rebuilt during the 80s and was described in 1989 as being in excellent order. In 2008, after 22 years of ownership, the Jaguar was sold to its most recent owner, just 15 miles or so away from that owner in nearby Dudley. The last owner then began a full, no expense spared restoration. It's taken 10 years to ensure a finish of the highest quality. The Jaguar was completely stripped down to a bare shell and rebuilt from the ground up. It was fully painted to an exceptional standard, including the underside. The engine was taken to a very highly regarded company called Andrew Tart Motor Engineering. They're known for being 1950s and 60s historic racing car specialists in engine rebuilds, development and tuning. As a result, the 4.2 engine feels rather special. It's glorious. You can find more information for this car on our website. A link is in the description below.